The gentleman is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and I'd like to thank Mr. Lipinski for his work on this bill and for yielding me this time. I rise today to support H.R. 1158, the Department of Energy Laboratory Modernization and Technology Transfer Act. I want to thank my friend from Illinois, Mr. Hultgren, for sponsoring this bill and working with me and our colleagues on this important piece of legislation. This legislation provides tools to spur and accelerate the transfer of new technologies developed at our national labs. It extends the Agreement for Commercializing Technology, or ACT, pilot program for 2 more years, and also significantly broadens the range of companies able to participate in the program, allowing for more flexible partnership agreements. The bill will allow labs to use their technology to transfer funds for activities which identify and demonstrate commercial opportunities for their research and technologies. This legislation also removes burdens which currently prevent many universities and other nonprofit research institutions from working with the Department of Energy. This will encourage further collaboration between university researchers across the country and our wealth of knowledge at the national labs. Mr. Speaker, I represent Golden, Colorado, and the National Renewable Energy Laboratory. Quite simply, NREL is the premier energy efficiency and renewable energy lab in the world. For more than 40 years, NREL has led the charge in research and design of renewable energy products directly affecting the way we utilize and secure American energy. This bill will help provide labs like NREL with important tools so they can best lead our country's research on renewable and sustainable forms of energy and transportation, and ultimately bring these life-changing innovations to consumers. I've seen the great work being done at NREL, and I know this great work is happening at other national labs all across the country. Last year, DOE signed an agreement for commercializing technology with the Wells Fargo Foundation to utilize NREL and other DOE national labs to further research in energy-efficient building-related technologies. And this bill allows that agreement to be extended for at least 2 more years. DOE's 17 national laboratories and research programs have been the birthplace to some of our most revolutionary technologies. When this research is harnessed by entrepreneurs and business leaders, startups with 1 or 2 employees can grow into companies employing dozens, if not hundreds, of people. We want to make sure these federally funded institutions and initiatives remain an important foundation of our knowledge-based economy. That's why I am proud to co-sponsor this bipartisan legislation with the gentleman from Illinois, Mr. Hultgren, giving scientists and researchers in both the public and private sector tools and freedom they need to unlock a new wave of innovation. And thank you again, Mr. Speaker. I yield back the balance of my time.
The gentleman from